Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Franky the baker.
Hello.
We're not baking today,
Nope.
but we're making something absolutely delicious.
Yes.
What are we
We're
making?
gonna make banana pudding. Whipped cream. We're gonna go heavy cream and powdered sugar.
Easy so far.
Yep. We're gonna wait till that gets to a peak. So you wanna grab your pudding and your whipped cream.
And this is just what kind of pudding?
Vanilla pudding. So you wanna add pudding with the whipped cream, mix it. Nice, easy folds.
This is easy. I can do this.
Yep. All right, so how nice and thick.
Yeah.
All right. So what you want to do first is place your pudding on the bottom. We're gonna grab our bananas.
I see what we're doing
All
here.
right. Then you're gonna grab your wafers and you're gonna layer until you get to the top, Lily.
Okay.
Now you want to start with cream on the bottom because, or else the wafers will start flying all over the place.
You don't want that.
Make sure you're packed in. Get another banana or two. This is beautiful. Everybody gets to eat. Everybody enjoys.
Yes.
Now you could decorate however you like. You could crumble. You could place them standing up. That's how you get your little layers. Banana pudding.
Love it. And if you'd like to try this easy recipe at home, head to news12.com. You'll find the recipe. I love this. Thank you.
All right.